My name is Dr. Tara Wood. I am an associate professor in the English department and also the writing program administrator at UNC. I typically teach classes that are writing courses in our liberal arts curriculum. The course that I converted to OER is English 123, Writing and Research Methods. I think using OER has freed me up a lot. I have been in situations where I've been using a traditional textbook and I feel really compelled to make sure I use it fully and extensively because of the cost to students. You don't want to just have them buy a textbook and then you only use a chapter or two. So I was really committed to making sure to max the use of the textbook. Now that I have OER, I feel like it's freed me up to curate the content, throw out what I don't want, pick and choose what I do like and feel like is useful for the students. So it's been liberating in that way. Well, like I mentioned, English 123 is a high enrollment, high impact course at UNC. A lot of students take this course. Just this spring, we have 376 students enrolled in it. So if you think of an average textbook costing, say, $50, that's a savings to students of almost $20,000. So it's pretty significant. So luckily we have a really high quality open access text that we've selected for our redesign. So I'm not sure if it's the OER nature of the course so much as the confidence that we have with the materials that we selected that's having the most impact on student learning. The most obvious answer to that is no more reminding students to bring their books to class. Now that it's open access, they can Google it. They all have phones. They bring laptops to class. So it makes it really easy to just say, pull out your devices and let's take a look at the text. I think my advice would be to start by finding content that you feel really excited about. So material that's open access, that's by credible experts in your field, that is really stimulating your own pedagogical and intellectual curiosity. If you try to, Frankenstein with a bunch of different materials that you're just so about, I feel like the process is way more burdensome. So start with something you're excited about, because then you'll just be doing what we as faculty do as part of our jobs, which is to find good content, design activities that we feel like are going to be beneficial to our students. I'm just so grateful for the initiatives at our university surrounding OER. I feel like there's a lot of momentum for this kind of work, a lot of support for this kind of work, so I'm grateful that my institution is providing me with some time and resources and funding to do this meaningful pedagogical work.